Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want your followers to think? Let's create a poll on Instagram stories. It's quick and fun. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. Then swipe left to access the stories camera. Upload a video or photo, then tap the sticker icon at the top right next to the letter A. Here you'll see many options. Go ahead and search for an option called poll. You'll see a poll sticker. Tap on it. Here you can type in your question. Then we can also add options. Then after you're done, tap on done on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can adjust your poll in your screen by moving it with your finger. You can also zoom in and zoom out to make it bigger or smaller. Now you guys know how to make poll on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.